Hi students, today we are going to talk about the law of indices. Indices are also called the powers. So there are three laws. Let me take one by one. First law is law of multiplication. What is law of multiplication? That if there is a number a and there is a power m multiplied with the same number to a different power n, then what is the answer? Number and the powers get added up, m plus n. Very simple. Let me give you an example. 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. What is the answer? You can quickly write 3 to the power 4 plus 3, which is 7. In algebra, we are reading algebra, we will talk algebra. X to the power 6 into x to the power 2. What is the answer? X to the powers get added up, which is 8. This is the first law, right? Now, what is the second law? Second law is the law of division. Number to the power m divided by the same number with a different power. How should we solve it? The law says same number, take the denominator and reduce it from the numerator power, which means m minus n. This is the answer. Example, 4 to the power 6 divided by 4 to the power 2. See, remember, a should be same. This number has to be same everywhere. This number has to be same. Don't forget. Okay, 4 to the power. The powers get reduced. The denominator goes in the numerator and gets reduced. 6 minus 2, which is 4 to the power 4. In algebra, p to the power 5 divided by p to the power 2. What is answer? P to the power 5 minus 2, which is p to the power 3. This is the second one. And the third one is the smallest. What is that? Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. All these formulas we are going to study much detail in class 7th and 8th, but right now these three are sufficient to solve the fundamental operation questions. Okay, so let's do all these questions in 2 minutes. Let's go. The numbers multiply 3 into 5, 15, right? And now x cube into x to the power 4. Which law? The law of multiplication. So x to the power, what will happen? The powers will get added up. 3 plus 4, 7. This is the answer. It's so simple. Let's go to the next one. First numbers multiply 2 into 5, 10. Then the variables x, see on in both the terms, one is 2, another is 3. So what will happen? X to the power 2 plus 3, 5, and y to the power 3 plus 4, 7. Please note this is multiplication. We are talking about multiplication. We are using this law. Next one, 5 into 1, 5. A square, a cube, a to the power 5 into b square, b4, b to the power 2 plus 4, which is 6. All we are doing is multiplication of the number which has got the different powers. Okay, here we go. X, again, multiplication, x square into x to the power 6. The powers will get added up. 2 plus 6, 8 into y. The powers will get added up. 3 plus 4, 7. Answer. Next one. This is a division, right? This is a division. So now we jump to this law. Okay, 14 divided by 2 is 7. A to the power 3 divided by a to the power 2, which means a to the power 3 minus 2 m minus n, right? So the powers, the denominator will go in the numerator and the power will subtract. B cube, there is nothing in the denominator, so b cube. This is the answer, 7a b cube. Let's go and see this. Numbers will get divided. 40 divided by 10, 4. P cube, P cube. Again, let's see this. P, 3 minus 3, right? Q, 4 minus 1, R to the power 5. Now, P 3 minus 3 is what? P to the power 0. Q to the power 3, R to the power 5. What is P to the power 0? What is P to the power 0? 1. So 4Q cube R to the power 5. The last one, quickly. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Now, a to the power 3 divided by a to the power 6. Don't forget the rule. It says numerator minus denominator power, right? B to the power 5 minus 2, which is 7a to the power minus 3. Very important, right? Very, very important. First time we are seeing a negative power, a to the power minus 3, b to the power 3. This is the answer. I hope you enjoyed this, understood this. See you in the next one.